Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my Lettercraft channel. In this video I will show you a technique I really wish I had known when I first started Lettercraft. I mean joining multiple T pockets. I have tried to demonstrate it briefly in some of my other videos, but today I will go deeper and explain it step by step. So what problem does this technique solve? If you join pockets in a regular way, your pricking iron step has to catch both the upper and the lower pocket at the joint. The problem is that it often had ribs in that spot after sewing. Once I started using this technique, it completely solved the issue and really improved the quality of my work. Here is how I do it. First, I take my pricking iron, place the first tooth just over the upper pocket, and make a mark. Then I set my divider to that point, make a mark, and transfer the same distance to the flash side of the lower pocket. Next, I cut at about 45-degree angle there. This way the pocket overlaps slightly and that tiny pricking iron step holds both pockets securely along the full length of the joint. If you want to try this with your existing templates, keep in mind you will need to add a couple of extra millimeters to the wings of the upper pockets, since they will be trimmed and covered by the lower pocket. When I found this technique, it was totally a game changer for me. I hope it will be just as helpful for you. That's it from me today. As always, you can find all my crafts and PDF templates on my webshop handmade.com or in my Etsy shop. Links are down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will see you next time. Bye!